Welcome to this photo-guided history of Steam Chaser's vehicles. A decade of variety and disaster, from the early days of travelling in hire cars. These journeys we used to think were a long way for a day trip, but now they are common weekly outings without a second thought. We start our journey on the 16th of July 2010 on a drizzly Manchester day. A 2009 Seat Ibiza Special Edition petrol hatchback. Our first run out, a light engine move of BR Standard 8P 71,000 Duke of Gloucester, moving from Bury to Bristol. The move was cancelled without notice, a common occurrence even today. So what do we do instead? Go and look at a building site which would in the future become the Metrolink extension line to Ashton. And of course, go and do the weekly shop at Asda at the same time. Day 2 began wetter, but more promising, with 46115 Scott's Guardsman on the Cotton Mill Express. The Scott had failed on both its previous outings with the train, being the 30th of January and the 15th of February. Would third time be the charm for this engine? The day was going well, including a very interesting incident with a blatant trespasser and a Northern Rail driver. Guardsman returned to Manchester Victoria after her first loop with defective cylinder packing, and the tour was cancelled yet again. She was sent to Castleton for repairs and then returned to Carnforth. So what to do instead with no steam to chase? Well, it was time to go and explore the recently closed Oldham Loop line. Closed on October 3rd, 2009 for conversion to light rail and Metrolink services. We also had time to visit my old school, which had been flattened. April 2011. The second vehicle was, unfortunately, a Vauxhall Mariva Club, a nasty petrol MPV, which managed to fall to pieces on a very short trip to Llangollen. It allegedly started as a whole car, but by the time it had returned to Chester, 20 trim pieces had fallen off and the driver's side window wouldn't stay closed. It was a long way to go for a food review, but it was my first NOS report, and driving half a car was an experience to say the least. 4th of July 2011, a petrol Ford Focus Sport in silver. It took us on a rather exciting holiday to Whitby and of course the North Yorkshire Moors Railway, before returning us home for the first Felsman chase of August. On the 9th of October 2011, we had our first Vauxhall Astra inflicted on us. An Astra design automatic. The curse that had begun with the Mariva had now spread, and we were constantly given awful Astras for the next few years. Terrible plastic interior, awful build quality, but it did mean we could get the Buxton Spa on the 5th of November, and we had no other choice. 12th of November 2011, salvation had arrived, a decent Vauxhall, the Insignia SRI 128 diesel. The preferred option for the chase of the Coronation Scott to Glasgow, powered by LMS Princess Class 6201 Princess Elizabeth. Unfortunately, our luck had run out by the return, and we were back with the Astra for Lizzie on the York Yuletide Express on the 11th of December.